Assalamu alaikum everyone. It's a pleasure to meet you all. I am truly honored to stand before you today. Well, my name is Meerab and I hold the qualification of intermediate. I warmly welcome you all in this beautiful gathering and thank you so much for your valuable time. Well, today I am here to talk about a topic that plays a crucial role in shaping our families and future generation responsibilities of parents. We'll explore not just what parents expected to do, but also the challenges the parents face and the practical ways to overcome them. First, allow me to present the outline of my presentation. I have divided my presentation into three main parts. In the first part, I will give you the introduction of parenting. In the second part, I will tell you the responsibilities of parents. In the third part, I would highlight the challenges the parents face and the practical ways to overcome them. Well, parenting is the process of raising and caring for children as they grow and develop. It includes guiding them with love, support, and encouragement to help them become responsible and confident individuals. Let's move to the second part. What do parents do? Parents have a really big role in child's life. They make sure their kids have everything they need, like safe home, health care, and other things. But it's not just about the physical things. The children also need love, support, and encouragement. Parents help their kids with school and teach them values like honesty and respect and guide them to become a responsible adult. Also, parents need to be a good role model because kids often copy what they see at home. So if parents are kind, calm and respectful, children are more likely to grow up the same way. Let's talk about the challenges. Being a parent isn't easy. One big challenge is time. Many parents are busy with work and other responsibilities, so they don't get enough time with their children. And other challenge is money. Raising a kid can be expensive. Sometimes children misbehave and spend too much time on phones or watching TV. And with teenagers, communication can get difficult. But don't worry, there are solutions here. For time issues, parents can make small daily routines like having dinner together, talking before bed. And for money challenge, planning a budget really helps. If children misbehave, parents need to stay calm, set clear rules and use gentle discipline. For teenagers, open and honest conversation are the open key. Parenting is not always easy, but with love, support and good communication, all the things can be managed. That's all from my side. If you have any question, feel free to ask me. Thank you so much all.
What is one way to show love to your children?
Guiding them, in my opinion, guiding them in right way and guiding them right and wrong is the main thing for parents to show their love.
Can parents help the children with their studies?
Yes, they can.
How can parents serve as role model for their children?
I think parents needs to stay calm and show kind behavior in front of their children, so they serve as a role model for their children.
What is one good habit children can learn from their parents?
Honesty and respect, and there are many things.
Ready to clap for her.